You. Yes, you. Ever thought $100 is too small to start investing? Prepare to have your mind blown. Today, we're shattering illusions and revealing how this modest sum can be the key to unlocking a realm of financial possibilities beyond your wildest dreams. Hello, financial enthusiasts, and welcome back to Nitefury Digital Finance. Diving into the world of investments doesn't have to be daunting, even with something as simple as $100. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and ride with us to the end of the video. You're about to uncover some game-changing strategies. But remember, this isn't financial advice, just a roadmap for your investment journey. Without further ado, let's dive into the essentials of smart investing, unraveling the core principles that every savvy investor should know. 1. Setting clear investment goals. Every great journey starts with a destination in mind. What's yours? Saving for a dream vacation, building an emergency fund, or just setting the stage for a comfy retirement? Define your goals to tailor your investment path. This will not only fuel your motivation, but also steer your decisions, ensuring every move aligns with your ultimate financial aspirations. 2. Assessing financial readiness. Ensure your financial house is in order before venturing into investing. It's crucial to invest money you won't need immediately, keeping your essentials and emergency fund intact. Avoid treating your investments like high-stake bets. The more you gamble, the slimmer your chances of achieving sustainable success. 3. Understanding risk tolerance. Investing is not without its ups and downs. Your risk tolerance is your personal buffer against market volatility. It helps in choosing investments that you're comfortable with, balancing potential gains with peace of mind. 4. Choosing the right investment options. With $100, you can explore a variety of investment avenues like ETFs, mutual funds, shares of stocks, or even crypto, all of which come with their own risks. These options can offer a foot in the door to the investing world without breaking the bank. 5. The power of diversification. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. It involves spreading your investment across different assets, so if one underperforms, the others can help balance your portfolio. 6. The basics of market research. Arm yourself with knowledge. Understanding market trends and learning to evaluate investment opportunities is crucial for making informed decisions. Utilize reputable financial news sources and consider leveraging analytical tools available on investment platforms to gain deeper insights. Remember, informed decisions come from a blend of current events, historical data, and forward-looking forecasts. 7. Investment platforms and tools. Numerous platforms and tools cater to beginner investors, offering a user-friendly way to start investing your $100. From apps to online brokerages, find the one that best suits your needs. 8. Building and managing your portfolio. Think of your portfolio as a team, each member bringing something unique to the table. Select a mix that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance, and don't forget to review and adjust it as needed. 9. Common investment mistakes to avoid. Beware of emotional investing and chasing the latest hot tip. These are common pitfalls that can derail your investment strategy. Stick to your plan and stay informed. The investment landscape's always changing. Keeping up with market trends and expanding your knowledge is vital for adapting your strategy and growing your portfolio. Starting with $100 is more than just feasible. It's a smart step towards your financial future. So dive in, stay informed, and make your financial dreams come true. Have insights or questions about starting your investment journey? Share them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights from Nitefury Digital Finance. Until next time, happy investing!